Hey, it have been a long time ago. Now this is a new video about MetaPixel, and I want to explain what is this about. Let's start. The application is MetaPixel, and this is a application which you can mine on your mobile Android. As I said again, this is only for right now on the Android mobile, and you can use it on your iPhone. So please click on the link in below and you download it. Otherwise, you can write down this on the Google and install it. As I said, the app allows users to store data in a decentralized. So this is a short video about the team, and we can look together. This is about less than 1 minute. Yes, this is a short video about the website, and it is free application on Google Play. You can use it. You can withdraw whenever you want it, and it's not too difficult. And when you're mining on your mobile, don't forget you need to come back every 4 hours to click on mining. So this is not 24 hours, so it needs to come back every 4 hours and click on mining. And this is updating news, and because the team is new develop, and if you like to know new information, you can follow the Twitter or follow the notification on mobile. As they use a Polygon network on the application, and I'm gonna tell you later how you can use your Trust wallet on your phone. So you can use your MetaMask, but for right now I am use only Trust wallet. This is the total supply, and here the contract. So this is the contract. And this is, as I said, total supply. So this is you put down on your Trust wallet address, and don't forget to choose Polygon, and this is a decimal 18. But I want to mention, when you use Polygon and when you paste this address, this will be automatically appears. So you don't need to remember this. Okay, so this is a two big question they have already answered. You need to, so it's not just you, it's for every users need to almost mine it 40% totally to list it on the exchange. What that mean? You can multiply 40%, multiply with this number, and will get that amount. So this is not launch, and I don't have private sale on something. So this is another question. If you like to understand, please check on the website and read it. Yes, and now I'm gonna tell you how you can use your Trust wallet to connect or use it. So before I continue with this is a Twitter. If you like to follow for information, and yes, they have joined on December, so this is almost new. So here I am my Twitter. So if you like to follow. Okay, now I am on my mobile and I want to show you how you can add contract address on Trust Wallet. So first you need to click here, right here on the right, top right, then just scroll down all the way down and add custom token. From here you need to choose your network. Remember I told you this work on the Polygon, and just choose it. And now you need to go to the website as mentioned and just copy this one, and yes, you need to paste it and everything will appear done. And you will see here, let's see how much I have. So it will appear here. I don't have any nothing, so this is a 0. Yes, then you need to take receiving address, copy, and so now we have the application, and we want to register, and you need to use your email address and your wallet address and your password and my referral code if you like it. This is optional, but my referral code is on below. If you want to use on mining together, then you can write down on that here, but the referral code is on the down, so you can use it. Yes, the wallet address you can put here, and your email address, your listener, or I mean password and referral code. So just click create it and you will go to next. Yes, now we are here, and from here you can mine it. So here the mining have started, and this is how it looks, and this is my referral if you like to use it. So this is the referral code you need to put down when you want to register it, and here the wallet address. Yes, this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed, and until next time, take care.